Vitamix are a fourth-generation family-owned company, founded by Papa Barnard in 1921. Vitamix was responsible for the first ever infomercial, broadcast in 1950 to demonstrate how the Vitamix blender can help families eat healthier with whole foods.
Ladies and gentlemen, in presenting Home Miracles for 1950, I'm going to give you a demonstration of one of the most wonderful machines that was ever invented, the Vitamix machine, and I'm going to talk to you on the most vital subject that concerns you and your family, and that is health.
Today, we are proud to be the industry leader in high-performance blending, trusted by more professional chefs and chain restaurants than any other brand, and used in millions of household kitchens across the globe. That's because when it comes to blenders, you get what you pay for. Cheaper blenders suffer from a lack of power, durability, and often do just one job. You'll see throughout these videos that a Vitamix machine can replace several different kitchen appliances. With one machine, you're able to make a variety of dishes, from silky smooth smoothies to steaming hot soups, and complete tough tasks such as grind nuts, grains and spices and crush ice. Did you know that with a Vitamix machine, you can make the most amazing frozen desserts in less than a minute? Vitamix blenders are designed and assembled in the USA using only the most durable materials, engineered to get the job done, even with the toughest ingredients. Although our machines may cost a little more, they're built to last and backed by up to a 10-year warranty, giving your customers the peace of mind for years to come. So, let's get started and find out why Vitamix.